guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Color Revolution World. This is a channel that was in Learners Food and Fashion. It's now been moved, so we are doing just fashion, and we sew and we do hacks and we do a lot of different stuff and very beautiful things that we do here. For this video, what I'm going to show you, how to do a leather tassel. Okay, this is very good if you're doing bags or clutches and you put it there. It gives it a really different very beautiful touch to it. So at the moment I'm doing clutch from this woven faux leather. So when I finish, I'll show that to you. So I want to do leather tassel for that. I want to add a tassel to it to make it really beautiful. So this is one I've done already. So I'm going to show you how I did this. Okay, so first of all, we need a rectangle piece. This is a faux leather, and I've cut this. Okay, I'll put the measurement down below, and then you have another piece, rectangular piece, just for the handle. Okay, right guys, so what we are going to do is to measure how we want it to be. So first of all, I measure 3/4 of an inch at the top. Okay, I've already measured it, so I'm going to draw a line here like this. Okay, and the next bit is what I'm doing is I'm going to just have a 1/4 of an inch, sorry, just a 1/4 of an inch for the tassel. So as you measure just a 1/4 of an inch, and then you draw a line through. So 1/4 of an inch, and then you draw a line. So I do that until I get to the end. Okay, just a 1/4 of an inch, and then you draw a line. So I'll draw a line till I finish up till the end of the leather. Right, so we finished drawing the lines, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is to cut them. I don't normally use the quilting the cutter. I just use the scissors to cut it because I like doing that. It's just to put it, so I just cut them to cut the lines till up to the line there. Right guys, so we are really getting there. Just cut these. So we are done, as you can see. So the next bit is to just add this one to it, and I'm going to show you that. So guys, the next bit is we need to add this one to it. So you fold it like this, okay, and then you place it at the top like that. And what we are going to do is to use a rivet to just pin it down. So the first thing you need to do is to just create a hole there. So I'm using this. If you don't have this, you can just use anything that you can to create a hole. This can be anywhere as well, because we are going to use glue, so it won't really matter where you put the rivet. So I've just put that in like this, and then I put the corresponding side on the other side like that. Okay, so I press it. So yeah, so this is what I have just to place it in. So this is how it's supposed to look like. And the next bit is I'm going to use the glue to just fold it in. So I'm using it's a super glue, so you have to be careful. I just want it to, and then I'm going to roll it like that. Okay, roll it on. So I'll put the super glue there. You just open this. It's quite difficult to open sometimes. Okay, so that is the glue. So I'm going to put that here. So guys, I put some glue there, so what I need to do is to just fold it in. I just want the handle to be at the middle, so I start from here and I keep on adding glue. You keep on adding glue and then just fold it until I'll do this until I get to the end. Okay, you add more glue and I keep on folding it. So just fold it. So guys, I'm still just trying to just get to the end of this. As you can see, it's really done nicely. It's very, some people put some things here right there, but I don't normally do that. But if you have anything that you want to decorate it with, you can decorate it and put it there. So that's supposed to be the handle. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use it for this clutch that I'm making, and I'll show it to you at the end when I finish making the clutch. So that is it. That is the tassel done. It's very easy, very easy and quick. It takes about 10 minutes to do this, or even less. All right, so I will show you the clutch, and it gives it a very beautiful style. Right guys, so as you can see, I've done the tassel for this clutch, and as you can see, it makes it really look nice. So a tassel just add a really nice touch to your product. I just finished making this and it really looks lovely with the tassel, and I have lots of them made here in different colors. So you can make it, takes about 10 minutes to do that, and you can add it to anything that you want to add it to, your bag, your clutches, or any lovely thing, and it makes it really look beautiful. Okay, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you'll be notified of it. This is Color Revolution World. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.